Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. In this video, we will take a quick look at two default taskbar features found in Windows 11 that you can disable and turn off to help free up system memory and possibly speed up and boost system performance. Now, the first is widgets, which many of you know is where you can have access and browse through your interests and your news feed straight from the taskbar. And the second is your Microsoft Teams chat icon, where you can set up and use your Microsoft Teams straight from the taskbar in Windows 11. Now, if we just quickly head over to the settings menu, apps, click on apps and features. In the apps and features list, here you will find a component, an app installed, which is called Microsoft Edge WebView 2 Runtime. Now, this WebView 2 is part and linked to the Microsoft Edge web browser, and it's basically necessary for web-based apps which have web-based material like your widgets and your Microsoft Teams, the chat, for them to function and work. And that's because widgets and your Teams, they launch the Edge WebView 2 runtime processes in the background when these features are being used. Now, if we just go back to our taskbar, when you click on your widgets, basically what this does is that it launches and starts the WebView 2 processes running in the background when you start using widgets and go through your news and interests feed in the widgets. And with the Teams chat icon, when you use your Microsoft Teams, what this will also do is it will also start and cause all the web-related activities from the WebView 2 runtime to start running in the background to obviously get the feature to work. And by removing the Teams, the widgets and the Teams icon, this will basically disable the WebView 2 processes that run on the startup of both of those features. Now, to disable these two taskbar features, it's very simple, and the easiest is in Windows 11 just to right click on your taskbar, click on taskbar settings, and here we will see our taskbar items in the personalization menu of the taskbar, and we can just turn off and disable widgets and chat, and now you will see they have been removed from the taskbar. Now, it's worth mentioning that if you are running a high-end machine, that disabling or having these two features running will make no difference. But this is mainly aimed at budget and low memory devices and machines, and you will only really see a degradation in performance when these two features are enabled. When you are using a whole lot of other apps at the same time, then you could possibly see a reduction in your memory, thereby causing your machine to run a little bit more sluggish and slower. So on low budget and low memory machines, disabling these two, the widgets and the Microsoft Teams chat icon, could possibly help to speed up, as mentioned, and boost your performance, thereby causing those WebView 2 processes not to be running in the background, which will just help free up system memory. So I hope you found this video useful. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.